Breaking news. Green card holders, once considered relatively safe from deportation, are now facing a new wave of uncertainty as the U.S. administration tightens its grip on immigration policies. Whether it's residency requirements, legal violations, or national security concerns, green card holders are under more scrutiny than ever before. The latest confirmation from Vice President J.D. Vance has sparked widespread concern among legal permanent residents, with reports suggesting that the administration is moving forward with policies that could lead to deportation under specific conditions. For millions of immigrants who have spent years building their lives in the United States, this situation feels overwhelming, but it is crucial to face the facts and understand the steps needed to navigate these new challenges. The new policies have introduced stricter enforcement measures, making it easier for the government to revoke lawful permanent residency. Agencies like USCIS, ICE, and CBP are ramping up their review processes, and with growing political support for tougher immigration laws, the fear of deportation is becoming a reality for many. Vice President J.D. Vance recently confirmed that discussions are actively taking place regarding the deportation of certain green card holders. His remarks align with the broader vision of the Trump administration, emphasizing a strong stance on tightening immigration policies. According to sources, the administration is exploring ways to revoke legal residency for immigrants who violate certain conditions, including those with criminal records or those who fail to meet residency obligations. President Donald Trump has long advocated for stricter immigration rules, and this latest move reflects his vision of prioritizing American citizens. In a recent speech, Trump reiterated the need to clean up the system and ensure that only those who truly contribute to American society retain their legal status. Reports also suggest the administration is considering legislative changes that could redefine the grounds for green card revocation. Even long-term residents could face scrutiny under the new rules. Current political discussions point to several categories of green card holders who may be targeted. Those with criminal records, particularly serious offenses like drug crimes, fraud, or violence, could be prioritized for deportation. Green card holders who have spent extended periods outside the United States without maintaining proper re-entry documentation are also under review. Additionally, there is growing speculation that financial dependency on government assistance programs could be used as grounds for deportation. National security concerns remain a major focus, with policies being explored to expedite the removal of individuals flagged as potential threats. One case that has drawn international attention is that of Mahmoud Khalil, a green card holder and former Columbia University student. Khalil, a Palestinian activist and leader of Gaza solidarity protests at Columbia, was arrested by ICE agents, accused of involvement with activities aligned with Hamas, which the U.S. designates as a terrorist organization. What makes Khalil's case particularly significant is that he was a legal permanent resident, meaning revoking his green card status was necessary before deportation proceedings. Initially, ICE agents claimed his student visa had been revoked, but when it was clear he held a green card, they shifted tactics to revoke that status altogether. This escalation has raised significant concerns among legal experts and immigrant advocates, who warn that targeting green card holders based on political activities sets a dangerous precedent. The Trump administration appears to be leaning on a clause in the Immigration and Nationality Act that allows deportation if the Secretary of State has reasonable grounds to believe an individual's presence poses serious adverse implications for U.S. foreign policy. J.D. Vance, a staunch ally of Trump, defended these actions, stating that those who support terrorist organizations or their ideology would have their residency status revoked to protect American values and security. Secretary of State Marco Rubio echoed this, confirming that the government would revoke visas and green cards of Hamas supporters in America to prioritize citizen safety. President Trump further clarified his position on social media, stating that anyone who supports terrorism, including the slaughter of innocent civilians, would not be welcome in the United States. These statements highlight a major shift in immigration enforcement, where political ideology is now being considered in decisions about legal residency. Reports suggest that Khalil's case is just the beginning, with the State Department already identifying more individuals for deportation, including other legal permanent residents. Civil rights organizations warn that this could open the door to stripping legal status from green card holders based merely on political accusations. Some immigration experts are concerned that these policies might eventually extend beyond terrorism-related cases to include political dissidents, activists, and individuals involved in controversial speech or protests. Legal analysts caution that under the current administration's approach, even minor infractions could place green card holders at risk. The U.S. Immigration Express channel will continue providing important updates and information regarding U.S. immigration processes, visa applications, and legal rights. It is crucial for immigrants to stay informed about visa requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and legal updates for visitor visas such as B1 and 2, work visas including L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas like Ebony, EB2, EB3, EB4, EB5, and family-based immigrant visas. Thank you for spending time with us today. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on U.S. immigration news and developments. See you in the next video.